Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to check Windows version in laptop. So it's easy to find out and it works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, click on start menu icon and then type WinVer in the search box. Click on this. A small window will pop up showing you the version of Windows you are running along with your build number. As you can see, it's Windows 11 and this is the version which is 24H2 and this is the build number. Here you can see we are running Windows 11 Pro operating system. So guys, in this video we saw how to check Windows 11 version in laptop. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.